Hi, I'm Dave with JDS Sign Supply, here to answer a question we've been hearing lately about finishing banners with BravoTabs and PolyTabs. For those of you who may not be familiar with BravoTabs, they are clear plastic pieces with a pre-punched hole and adhesive on one side. BravoTabs can be used anywhere on a banner in place of a traditional metal grommet. BravoTabs can be used indoors and outdoors. They are very quick and easy to install, and even more importantly, BravoTabs are stronger than grommets, wind tunnel tested to withstand very strong winds. BravoTabs are a great product, definitely worth trying. Another similar product is the PolyTab. Similar look, feel, and function, which leads to the question we've heard some people ask: can I use PolyTabs in place of BravoTabs? I certainly understand why people would ask the question. PolyTabs are about half the cost of BravoTabs. You buy them on this roll of 2,000 with easy to remove perforated sheets versus BravoTabs, which are sold in packs of 100. So, can you replace BravoTabs with PolyTabs? The answer to that question is no, and here's why. BravoTabs are larger and thicker, 1 7/8 inch square when folded. PolyTabs are a little bit smaller, 1.5 inch square when folded. PolyTabs are designed for lightweight banner material. I'd consider PolyTabs primarily for indoor use. BravoTabs and PolyTabs are both great products. Use them both in the way they are designed to be used, and you'll deliver durable banners that meet and beat customer expectations. To learn more or to place an order, call the number below or visit us online at jdssignsupply.com. Thanks for watching.